Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Monopoly Go device problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go device problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this list you will search about apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then we click on first stop. We click OK, then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. We go to about to search about this airplane mode you can turn on. Then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane mode again to find a solution about Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.